The 2026 Stark VARG SM takes it to the streets. There's a surefire recipe for transforming a dirt bike into a supermoto. The ingredients include 17-inch wheels, road-legal rubber, larger brakes, and a retuned suspension. Stark Future adhered to these guidelines when building its first supermoto, the VARG SM. Like the VARG MX and VARG EX, the Stark VARG SM comes in standard, 60 horsepower, and Alfa, 80 horsepower versions. The former starts at $12,900, and the latter at $13,900. Stark. Spanish electric startup Stark Future has taken the motocross and enduro worlds by storm with the VARG MX and VARG EX, respectively. After achieving success on the dirt, the next logical step was to find similar success on the streets. What better way to do this than with a road-legal SM? Based on the existing MX/EX platform, Stark has upgraded its all-electric SM with significant component changes. First and foremost, the dirt-suited 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels have been replaced by a set of 17-inch wheels. The SM's rims not only feature spokes for dirt and trail riding, but also accommodate tubeless tires. Stark doesn't limit the SM's options to stark red and snow white paint. Customers can also choose from Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4, Dunlop Sport Smart TT, Michelin Road 6, and Anla's Grip Plus tires. Similar to the MX 1.2, Stark Supermoto utilizes a fully adjustable 48mm KYB fork, but offers Supermoto-specific settings and slightly less travel, 11.4 inches instead of 12.2 inches. Stark also developed a model-specific triple clamp with a 16mm offset and 205mm of space between the fork tubes to provide greater steering precision and front-end feel. In addition to Stark's suspension updates, customers are offered soft, medium, and hard settings. In the braking department, a radially mounted 4-piston Brembo Stylema caliper feeds a 320mm wave rotor up front. This is a significant upgrade from the 2-piston coupler and 260mm disc found on the MX and EX. This new setup is fed by a Brembo 18/21 radial master cylinder. The VARG SM's 7.2 kWh battery may not only limit its range, but also its appeal. One Stark VARG SM owner mounts their portable charger on the bike. I wouldn't want to carry the Stark portable charger on my back. Unlike emergency fuel bottles, the charger doesn't lose much weight after being depleted. Besides the chassis revisions, the SM shares many similarities with its off-road counterparts, including a 7.2 kWh battery and a 360V electric PMAC motor. This combination can produce 80 horsepower and 637 ft-lbs of torque in the Alfa trim, but it only reaches what Stark calls its real-world range of 51 miles, 81 kilometers. For those speaking only imperial units, that translates to 50.3 miles, 80.3 kilometers. These ranges might be suitable for motocross tracks or nearby trails, but they're extremely restrictive on the road. To address range concerns, Stark states that a 3.3 kilowatts portable charger recharges the SM's battery in under 2 hours. The company also claims the portable device is light enough to fit in a backpack, but doesn't specify the device's actual weight. Given the model's range limitations, a charger may be a necessity rather than a luxury. Sure, the VARG SM may boast a race-ready chassis, 80 horsepower, and Android-based Arkenstone electronics, but if you plan on cruising even medium distances from home, this supermoto probably isn't for you. Starting at $12,900, standard version, Stark's all-electric SM will compete with KTM's 690 SMCR and Ducati's hypermotored 698 Mono. Whether the VARG SM will appeal to anyone beyond a handful of kart riders and adrenaline junkie city commuters remains to be seen. The SM's 30.3-mile range shouldn't pose much of a problem for track riders who regularly charge their electric motorcycles between sessions.